If you've been searching for an AI tool that can create presentations in minutes, you've probably heard about Gamma AI. But one question keeps coming up. Is Gamma AI actually legitimate, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? In this review, we'll explain what Gamma AI does, who it's for, its pros and cons, what real users are saying, and finally answer the big question. Is Gamma AI legit or a scam? Let's get started. First, what is Gamma AI? Gamma is an AI-powered platform that helps users create presentations, documents, web pages, and visual reports using artificial intelligence. Instead of building slides from scratch, you simply enter a prompt or upload existing content, and Gamma automatically generates a professional-looking presentation within minutes. The platform is designed for students, teachers, business professionals, marketers, and anyone who needs to create presentations quickly. One of Gamma's biggest strengths is its ease of use. Even if you've never designed a presentation before, the AI can generate clean layouts, organize your content, add images, and create a polished design with very little effort. It also allows you to edit every slide afterward, so you're not locked into the AI's first draft. Another advantage is that Gamma works directly in your browser, so there's no software to install. It also supports collaboration, allowing multiple people to work on the same presentation. So, is Gamma AI legitimate? Yes. Gamma is a legitimate AI company used by millions of people around the world for creating presentations and documents. It has become one of the best-known AI presentation tools and continues to add new features and improvements. However, being legitimate doesn't mean it's perfect. Let's talk about the drawbacks. One of the most common complaints is that the AI sometimes creates presentations that feel generic. Many users say the first draft still needs editing before it's ready for work, school, or client presentations. Another criticism is that exported PowerPoint files don't always preserve formatting perfectly, especially for complex presentations. Some users also mention that after several projects, different presentations can start looking very similar. There are also mixed opinions about customer support and subscriptions. Some users report positive experiences, while others have complained about billing issues, slow support, or difficulties canceling subscriptions. Because of that, it's always a good idea to review the pricing carefully before upgrading to a paid plan. Now let's look at the positives. Gamma is incredibly fast. It saves hours compared to creating presentations manually. The interface is simple. The designs look modern. It works well for brainstorming ideas, internal presentations, business proposals, class projects, and quick client decks. For many users, it has become an excellent starting point that only requires small edits before the presentation is finished. Now let's talk about real user reviews. When reading reviews online, you'll find both positive and negative opinions. Many users praise Gamma for how quickly it creates attractive presentations and documents. Others criticize the AI for sometimes ignoring detailed instructions or producing repetitive layouts. That's why it's important to remember that AI-generated presentations almost always benefit from a final human review before they're shared. If you're editing this video, this is a great moment to show real user reviews from sources like Trustpilot or the App Store, so viewers can see both positive and negative experiences. So what's the final verdict? Is Gamma AI legitimate? Yes. Is it a scam? No. Gamma is a real AI presentation platform used by millions of people, and it can save a significant amount of time when creating presentations, documents, and web pages. However, it's not a magic tool. You'll usually get the best results if you review and customize the AI's output before using it professionally. If you need polished presentations quickly, Gamma is definitely worth trying. If this review helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments whether you've tried Gamma AI and what your experience has been.